Bar had them 40 thieves, Sherazada had 1,000 tales. But master, you're in luck, cause up your sleeve you got a brand of magic never fails. You got some power in your corner, now some heavy ammunition in your camp. You got some punch pizzazz, Yahoo and house. See, all you got to do is rub that lamp. And I'll say, Mr. Aladdin, sir, what will your pleasure be? Let me take your order, jot it down. You ain't never had a friend like me, no. Mr. Aladdin, sir, have a wish or 2 or 3. I'm on the job, you beat me by. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend like me. Oh yeah, no, never had a friend like me. Watching the ships roll in, then I'll watch them roll away again. Oh, I'm just sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. I'm just sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Things will come out right now. We can make it so. Someone is on your side. No one is alone. And wouldn't you rather be a left-handed flea, a crab on a slab at the bottom of a sea, than a newt on the root of the banyan tree, than a fig on a twig in Galilee, than a man who never learns how to be free? Not till the day, not till the day, not till the day, not till the day he dies. Oh, forever and ever, you stay in my heart, and I will love you forever and ever. We never will apart. Oh, how I love you together, together. That's how it must be to live without you. Would only mean a heartbreak for me. Then I look at you, and the world's all right with me. Oh, just one look at you, and I know it's gonna be this your part, y'all know your part. What's it gonna be? A lovely day. Ooh, and I'm loving that spin that I'm in. Ooh, under that old black magic car. Under that old black magic car. Ba-ba-dum-be-dum, under that old